Now, let's look at change of base. What is that in logarithm? Let's see. Say, for instance, you have something like this. Say log b to the base of, say, a. You have this type of log. What we are saying is, in case you have something like this, and you find that it's not convenient, that is, you can't move beyond this level. What it means is, the way you should think. Remember, in this class, I teach you the best way to think so that you can easily recall. Okay? The way to think of it is, these two guys, they also want to separate. You remember? We said you have log, say, n, k. There's multiplication between them. They can separate. Use it plus by saying log this and this. If it was division, you put minus here. The same way you are separating this or this, what if they are just like this? We can also separate them using a different base entirely. Currently, B is sitting on top of A. Now that they want to separate, we use another base for the two. This time, you are looking at this as an entity, this as an entity. You bring a different base to separate them. How do you go about that? Simply do equal to log B over log A. But we need something to carry them. It could be anything. Let's say that person is you that is going to carry them. It could be anything. So, but you know, we use either alphabet, which are variables, or numbers. So we can put here now P, P. So whatever that is going to carry this is the one that will carry the denominator. This is how to change the base. As you can see, we are changing the base because before now, this was the base. Now we have changed it to what? P. Changing base. Look at this. As an instance. Say, for instance, you have something like this. What is the meaning of this? This simply means 25 over 100. Or, let me just show you, over 1, you move this here, you put 0, you move this here, you put 0. That is 25 over 100. This one, this 4, okay? That is, here is 1 over 4. That is for this only. Then you put 32. As you can see, we can't move forward. We are stuck. The next thing we need to think now, start thinking. If you look at this now, this one means 1 over 2 raised to power 2, right? Instead of wasting our time, just say minus 2. For those that are watching this video, that have not watched the previous video, this will be confusing. We have explained that this is minus. Why this is 2 raised to power 2. Okay? Try to watch the previous videos so that you can flow along. This one also means 2 raised to power 5. Okay, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is in 5 places. This is 4, 4. This is 16. Multiplied by this, that is what? 32. As you can see in this place, this is an entity. This is another entity. We can't still move forward. Can't still move forward. Even though you do this, say, okay, for instance, I want to move this guy to this place. You can't still move forward. So the best way to tackle this, from here, I will do equal to log 32, the first one, all over log 1 over 4. Then I find a common base. Which base should we choose? Should we choose 2? Should we choose 3? Should we choose 4? I will choose 2. Why am I choosing 2? Because I already know that this is 2 raised to the power 5. I also know that this is 2 raised to the power minus 2. So if I can have 2 here, I have 2 here. So you can see, similar, I will move this here. Similar, I will move this here. So we are going to apply what? Log to the base of 2. So 2 is helping us to change the base. Formerly, this was the base, which is also this. Now, because this one wants to also take the place of sitting on something, and this one will continue sitting on something, because currently it's sitting on this. This is not sitting on anyone, but 2 of them now want to play on the same level. That is, they both want to take the position of sitting on something. That is, 32 sitting on 2, this sitting on 2, okay? So with this now, I can continue by putting this here. You remember the logic? We've explained that. Sorry, this is 5. Then I will move this minus 2 here. This and this will cancel. You agree with me, we have minus 5 over 2. Okay? If you want to solve for that, that is minus 2.5. As you can see, if we did not change the base, we will not get here. Because we changed the base, we got this result. Okay?